this is actually a really amazing time. The higher dimensions, that veil might be a little bit thinner, and it's a time for us to really easily connect with our higher selves, our higher densities, our guides, these higher celestial bodies like the planets or even Earth. Connect with them and form a new relationship with them, because this energy is thinner. And so again, a time of if you're taking time to heal, this will open those doors for you. Or this may just be energy you're feeling because there's a high vibration, which also might cause why there is that heaviness energy, or an energy of feeling of within you, because there's something to shift to open you to these things. And so this is really a great time to start a routine, or to learn new things, or to become more consistent on your daily routine. Like if you don't have a daily practice routine, it's a good time to start one. If you do, it's time to dive deeper into it, or figure out, get really clear on your intention with your spiritual practices. Why are these your spiritual practices? Why are these the things you do each day? Why do you meditate? Why do you do yoga? Why do you do affirmations? Why do you care about your diet? And it's time to, get clear on your intention for that, and then to put faith in that, to put faith in it really, of that it's actually going to do something. There's something I was told once, that not every day you sit down to meditate will something magical happen, but unless you sit down every day and do it consistently, you'll never know. And so it's the consistency of it and having your faith in it, but getting clear on your intention behind it helps that door to open up more, helps that vibration to really put yourself into that energy. And so as you are doing this work of stepping into your higher, connecting with your higher self, your higher vibrations, you're healing yourself. And when you're healing yourself, you make a difference. That creates a ripple effect in your community, in your tribe, and those around you. It's as I heal myself, I heal those around me. And so to continue to step into that of healing yourself, but really allowing yourself and believing and having faith that you can connect with these higher selves, and will open these doors for you. The third wave, or another thing that you may experience as you step into this, is the clarity that will come from this. As you're taking time, these kind of stack on each other, or you might be feeling them individually, but as you take time to slow down and introspect and connect with your higher self, and heal those things that might be between you, you'll gain clarity, especially if you tap into letting this moon's energy work with you into the introspection. And you will not be able to deny what it is you really desire out of life. You won't be able to deny that inner knowing that comes from that clarity, or whatever question you may be seeking or desiring. Is by stepping into the true introspection, you'll gain that clarity out of it. And this is where your passion drives your purpose. And it's really starting to look into pulling all these spiritual topics that we talk about into your life, and into it is, what does your heart and soul actually want? What is your real purpose behind all of this? Why do you desire to learn anything in spirituality? So getting clear on your whys and where your heart is and what your soul actually wants will begin to guide you and gives you the power as the sovereign being that you are. And then it's beginning to align your life situation with your new vibration. And what I mean by that is that anything that you are experiencing, if you want things to change in your life, if you are changing yourself, the things around you will shift, but there's actual things that you will need to shift as well, and accept them to shift. If you are afraid of them shifting or don't want to let go of them, that may be something, that causes it to not change. A simple example of this can even be simply for myself, a lesson I've heard multiple times from the medicine and even from my deeper meditations, is that I need to transmute my body, that my body is too heavy to experience the deeper things I want. And by heavy, it just means that there's too much heavy foods, heavy substances that I allow into my body that keep me from these higher vibrations from time to time. And so that's a repeating lesson. And so it comes down to how many times do you have to hear that lesson before you shift, as well as shifting your life situation to match your vibration. And it's feeling into, the set, setting, and substance of your life. And these are things that I've learned in plant medicine ceremonies, with the set, setting, and substance. And the substance may be, what the medicine is you're taking. But in this setting, the substance would be you. You as the body, you as your sovereign self as a substance. And the set and setting being, where's your mindset? Where's your heart? And what are the things you're placing around you? Are they building you up and striving you into the direction you desire to go? Or are they continuing to keep you at the same vibration or to hold you back? You hit this point where you've done enough work that the things in your life can't stay the same if you want to maintain this vibration. You know there needs to be a shift in your life. If we really want to step into our power, we need to stop denying our power. And I mean that by stop denying that you have power. To step into your power, you need to believe that you actually have power in the first place, and stop denying that it's not there.